I keep my bonsai trees outside in the warm weather. Is there anything I can do to protect my bonsai trees from the spotted lanternfly? How can I control the eggs and the nymphs without damaging my trees? And this is Mike from northern New Jersey.
Ah.
How about that?
Yeah.
So, spotted lanternfly, which is
Yes.
a problem on the East Coast,
It is.
right? Of course, they have piercing, sucking mouth parts. We know that they're taking up sap. They do excrete honeydew. But yeah, the eggs, they pretty much lay eggs on outdoor, furniture, equipment, and things like that. So scouting is something you definitely have to do there. If you do see those eggs, the nymphs, target the nymphs, right? So you can target the nymphs with oils, right? Neem oil, horticulture oil is going to be something you can use, or insecticidal soap.
Insecticide soap.
Is something as well. Yeah. But how else do you think you can protect the bonsai tree, though?
First when I first saw this question, the first thing I thought of was to make little screen square tents to go around them. Because bonsai plants aren't very big, and that would keep them off of them. But I mean, that probably would be unsightly to look at.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, if the things that he needs to look at them often, which hopefully as a bonsai plant that he would.
Okay.
Because if you start seeing the small nymph stages before they get to be the adults, then you can use these insecticidal soaps and neem oil to get rid of them. And my question is too, the spotted lanternfly likes certain types of plants. So
that's right.
What kind of bonsai plants does he have? Because one of on the list of things that they like are maple trees, and I know people do bonsai a lot of maple trees sometimes. Okay. So if that's what he's worried about, then he's just going to have to scout often and just make sure that he catches everything when it's young. And if he does see egg sacs near it, then you can just scrape them off and put them into some alcohol, and it usually gets rid of them. Yeah,
that'd be good. No, I didn't know that about the maples. But I do know, of course, the host plant for the spotted lanternfly, tree of heaven.
Yeah. So if you have anything of that in your yard, you might want to get rid of it.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.